Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Stokes County, northern Rockingham County, northern Caswell County, the city of Danville, southern Pittsylvania County, southern Henry County, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Price, or near Stoneville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Danville, Eden, Whitworth, Yanceyville, Bethel, Stoneville, and Providence. This includes the following locations: the Martinsville Speedway, Martinsville Airport,